Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, I show the demo of airline reservation system. In this class, I am going to teach how to do this system step by step. Today is the first day. So first, I am going to go to the file. I am using the NetBeans ID in order to do the project, right? So first go to the file, new project, Java application, next. Here you have to, if you tick this one, you have to uncheck it, this create main class, this one you have to untick this one. After that you have to give the project name. I'm going to give as Airlines. You can give any name here, right? Airline, right? I'm giving the name as Airline. Click finish. This is your project, Airline, right? This is the cup icon of this one. This is your Airline, right? Your Airline project consists of two folders. Inside two folders, source package and libraries. Here click on this source folder. Here you have a package, default package. Select this one and right click, new. Here you have to create first one as here as frame, this one, right? JFrame form, right? Here you have to give us this one as a main. You have to create the first main form here, right? Click main form, right? This is your main form. I am going to all the projects. If I open, I am going to all the stuff, I am going to close it, right? Now it's very easy, right? Here this is your folder, this is your project, right? Now what I am going to do is here I am going to increase the size. This one should be main.java. This size should be fit into our laptop screen size. So how to do the task is, here right click, select this frame, right click, properties. Here we have to go to the properties here. Here this is the preferred size. You have to go to the property preferred size. You have to adjust it here as like this, 16. Right, this is the size I am going to give. Right, this is the size you have to give. Click OK. Right, this is the size I am going to give. Right, here why the size is not increase it. I set it right. Now let's run and see whether it's working fine or not. Main, right, it's fitted on the screen, right? Now what I'm going to do is here, another stuff what I'm going to do is here, I need here we have the menu items. So go to the palette, I'm going to go to the menu items, right? Here this is the menu bar. First it's a menu bar. We just click on this menu bar, we just drag here, right? Here you have to change the menu, this one here, right? Instead of file, I'm going to change this one as a edit text customer. Right, this one should be the customer. This one should be the second one. Select this one, right click, edit text. This one should be tickets. Right, tickets book and ticket report. If you have to add another field here, right click, you have to add another menu item here. Here you have to, this one should be, I'm going to change right as a flight, right? Flight, right? You can add the flight here, right? After that I add another one menu. This one should be, I'm going to undo it, right? This one should be, I'm going to write as user creation, right? Okay, these are the fields available, right? Now here customer menu consists of some sub menus: add customer and edit customer, search customer. We need a sub files here. So what I'm going to do is here, select this one, right click. Here you have to see here, add from palette, this one. Here you have to change it, select as menu items, right? Here you have to change this one as a edit text. You have to change this add customers, right? I need another one. So here select this one, palette, menu item. This one should be, right click, edit text. Here search customers, right? This one should be important, right? After that, click on this ticket. Right here we have to write like the here we have to add palette, menu item. Here we first click on this one, edit text. Here first one should be book ticket, book ticket, book ticket. So you have to give as a reserved ticket. Anything else you can give. Right here flight information. So right here we have to add palette item. You have to here you write like this, add flight. Right, this one should be, click on this one. Here we have to menu item. You have to write like this, edit text, user creation. Right, these are the fields we require. Right, after that what I am going to do is here, this is a header. Select this one, this form. After that go to the palette. Here you have to find it as a this one, desktop pan. This one you just select this one and drag on your form right like this. You have to put like this. Right, you have to fit on the screen here. Okay, under the menu you have to put like this. You have to fit on the screen like this. Okay, now if you open this here, it's your form look like this. Right here, if you go to the customer, you have options, ticket option, flight options, all stuff will be there. Right, your menu has been created successfully. This is how you have to create the menu. Right here, after that what after created the main menu, I am going to create the page frame as add customer. Right, that's the first one. So select the project and package this one, default pack this one. Right click, new. Here you have to select this one as a J internal frame form. This one, not J frame, J internal frame form. Okay, select this one. Right here I am going to give the name as add customer. Add customer. Right, you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write here like this, add customer. Right, click finish. Right, your customer page has been created successfully. Here let's increase the size like this. Here first go to the palette, drag one panel here like this. Here I am going to create the, in this panel I am going to create the I am going to change the color as, select this panel, right click, properties. So you have the background color, select the background color as this color, blue color. Right, like this. Okay, perfect. Now here what I am going to do is, here I am going to create the, go to the tool palette, drag one label. This one you have to name it as, this one as a first name. Right, this one the first name. After that we have another, this one last name, this one NIC number, passport ID and address. These are the required fields. Right, so let's select this one, last name. This is a last name. You select this label, right click, edit text. This is NIC number. This one should be passport ID. Port ID. Right, this one should be address. Select this one, edit text, address. These are the fields. Right, now if you feel to change the color, select the text, click, first select this one, hold on the control key and select other stuff. Right, this one, hold on the control key and select this one, these fields. Right, you are selected, you will notice that there will be the border yellow color. Okay, so you have to you understood, these are the fields you are selected. Right, now you will now right click and properties, go here, select the font properties with bold. Right, you have to bold it. After that I need to change the color, so foreground color, here you have to change this one and all the stuff as white. Right here, you will be able to change the color once, right? Simple, right? Very simple. You have to arrange like this. Simple form, right? Now what I'm going to do is here I need a text JText boxes. So go to the palette. Here you have to select the JText field, this one, right? You have to drag 1 2 3 4 5 4. We need one text, this one, text span. We need this one, sorry, not text span, text area we need it, right? This one, right? So if you want to type the address, so the text area is must, right? So you need a text area, right? The stuff you have to do, you have to arrange it, right? Second one, this one, this one, this one, right? All the stuff are correct. Perfect, right? Perfect. Now you have to select this one and you have to like this. Now here first one should be successfully created here, right? Now after that what I am going to do is here I need to, at the first you have to create this one as a auto increment customer ID. Here we have to change this one as a customer ID, right? This is auto incremented. So here we have to select this one, properties, change the size as 18th with bold, right? After that we need another, here we have to know text box. Here we need a label, right? This one we have to right click, auto incremented. Here have to font size, we have to give some 20. We have to make it as 20, right? It's bigger, right? Big size, little bit big size. With font, if you want to change the font of auto increment ID, go to the foreground, you have to select some color. I'm going to select as red, right? Perfect. This is your form, right? Perfect, right? Now I need to add another things for here, that is for right, to add another field, that is for the another, we have to go to the panel. If here you have to add another panel, the same, okay, we have to write as properties, background color, you have to give the same color, this one, right? Now here what I'm going to do is here I need another fields. This one should be 1 label, 2 and 3. We needed three labels here, only 3 labels we needed. We have to reduce the size, we no needed the size, right? Here we need date of birth. So we have to write here date of birth, and here we need a another stuff, we need a gender. This one should be contact, right? These are the fields we required, right? These are the fields required. So here we have to select the same thing, hold on the control key and select this all the stuff, right click, properties, font size, plain with bold, this, sorry, it's a bold, click OK. After that we have to font foreground color, we have to select as white, click OK, right? That stuff you have to do, right? Here the date of birth, I am going to go to the palette and drag this one, date chooser, this one, right? The date chooser in default, when you install the NetBeans, it is not on this palette. If you want to download this one, go to the Google and type calendar. If you have type J calendar jar, this one, right? If you type like this, you have to find the details here. Here you will be able to download the jar file here, right? Here I am going to click this one, first one, click this one. It goes to the relevant website for download the jar, calendar jar, right? Here this is the demo, right? Here these are the files available here, right? Now here this one should be the jar zip file. You just click and download into your local machine. If you click, it started download like this. After that, after downloaded this one, how to import it into your NetBeans is show to the folder. I just get the file, cut off this one. I have put it to E drive, right? I have already downloaded this one here. You have to extract this one. Right click and select this option, extract. After extract, you go to the NetBeans tools, libraries. Here you have to import the jar. Here add jar folder, you just click on this one. You have to find the J calendar jar, right? This one, double click on this, go to the lib, here this one, right? If you want, you have to select all, hold on the shift key and select all and add to jar, right? That's the stuff you have to do. I already added this one, so I no need to add it. If you add this one, after that click OK. After click OK, here you will be able to find the this components, okay, on this palette, right? That's the stuff you have to do. After that, gender, you have to get two radio buttons, male and female, right here, right? This one should be male, this one should be female, right? That's the stuff you have to do, right? Simple. After that, we have a contact, so we need one text field. You drag here, right? That's it. After that, what I am going to do is here I need one picture, right? I have to browse the picture and import it into here. So what I'm going to do is here I go to the palette, drag one J label. So here this one J label, here you have to increase size here like this, right? Perfect. Right here, right here. What I'm going to do is here this one, select this one, right click, properties. Here we have to go to the this one, border. There's a border here. This is a border. Here select this one as a line border. Select this one option, click OK. Right. That's the stuff you have to do. This one, the just right click, edit. You have to remove them. Right. That's the stuff you have to do. After that, I need one button for browse. This one, browse the image. Here we have to. This one you have to change the text as browse. Right. That's stuff you have to do. Right. It's a simple one we have to do, right? After that, we need one button for that. Here two buttons we need to add here. One is a add record, another one is a cancel record. That's a two button we have to add, right? Like this. This one for add, this one for cancel. Very simple. We have to write like this, right? This is how we have to do, right? Now this is how we have to design the customer form. Now I am going to make the link here. So go to the main.java, this one, select this one, double click on this one, it goes to the code view. Otherwise you select this one, right click, event action for form, it goes to the code view. Here you have to give the code is what is the form you have to visit. If you click that link, add customer, here you have to ask cus equal new add customer Here you have to write like this. Here you have to write J desktop pan. So here you have to write like this. You have to, what is the name here? Click on this one, right click, properties. What's the name? Desktop pan 1. That's the name of that one. Desktop pan 1, this one. So here you have to get that one, J desktop, right? So here pan 1 dot. So what is the error? Desktop. Select this one, right click, here change variable. You have to copy this one, Control C to copy. You have to paste it here, Control V to paste. Dot, you have to write as add cus, right? After that we have to write as a cus dot set visible true. That's the stuff we have to write. Now let's run the application. Customer, add customer. Here you will be able to get the link like this, right? I hope you guys you understood so far. In my next tutorial I will be teaching how to add the records into the database and how to browse the image. All the stuff I am going to teach in my next tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.